children. Today is day 19 of our online learning. I know how much you like pets. I haven't got any pets unfortunately, so I haven't a book about a cat to read. All creatures in the book see the cat differently. They all saw a cat, written and illustrated by Brendan Wenzel. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears and paws. And the child saw a cat. Oh, notice. See what is child doing? I think the child is gently stroking the cat. And the dog saw a cat. What do you think the dog is going to do? Is he going to chase a cat? And the fox saw a cat. Oh, he's definitely chasing a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. Look at the cat's face. It looks a bit scared and terrified of the fox. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears and paws. And the fish saw a cat. That's how the fish see the cat. And the mouse saw a cat. Uh-oh, the cat looks like a big monster. And the bee saw a cat. Oh, that's the bee's vision. He sees things in different colors. Yes, they all saw the cat. The cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears and paws. And the bird saw a cat. And the flea saw a cat. Like something very hairy. And the snake saw a cat. And the skunk saw a cat. Look, in black and white colors. And the worm saw a cat. And the bat saw a cat. Yes, they all saw the cat. Yes, they all saw a cat. Look at that, they all saw the cat very differently. A child, a dog, and a fox, and a fish, and a mouse, and a bee, and a bird, and a flea, and a snake, and a skunk, and a worm, and a bat. The cat knew them all, and they all knew the cat. And the cat walked through the world with its whiskers, ears and paws. Then it came to the water. What do you think the cat is going to do? And imagine what it saw. Its reflection. The end. Which perspective or point of view do you like from the story? For example, the mouse saw the cat like a big monster. I think the mouse was just a bit scared, so he saw the cat looking more scary than he really was. Your challenge for today is to draw how you see the cat. Have a great day. Bye!